Welcome to our detailed comparison of the ASUS ROG Strix B550-F and the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS motherboards. In this video, we will explore the key features, specifications, and performance of both motherboards to help you decide which one is the best fit for your gaming or PC building needs. We'll look at their pricing, LAN capabilities, power delivery systems, and RGB features. The ASUS ROG Strix B550-F is priced at $159, making it a premium option for gamers and enthusiasts. In contrast, the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS is more budget-friendly at $119. This difference in price reflects the additional features and performance capabilities of the Strix model, which may be worth the investment for serious gamers. When it comes to networking, the ASUS ROG Strix B550-F features a faster 2.5 gigabits LAN connection, providing improved online gaming experiences and faster data transfer rates. On the other hand, the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS offers a standard 1 gigabit LAN, which is sufficient for most users but may not meet the demands of high-speed gaming or streaming. The power delivery system is another critical aspect to consider. The ASUS ROG Strix B550-F is equipped with a robust 12+2 DRMOS power stage, ensuring stable performance even under heavy loads. In contrast, the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS has a simpler power delivery design, which may not be as effective for overclocking or high-performance CPUs. This difference can significantly impact the overall performance and stability of your system. In conclusion, the ASUS ROG Strix B550-F offers superior features and performance, making it an excellent choice for serious gamers willing to invest more. However, the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS provides great value for those on a budget, offering solid performance and essential features. Consider your needs and budget when making your decision. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.